And this is just to give a closer look. You could see that area is right here. It's right here. I haven't textured it yet. I haven't done anything to it yet. If I wipe a little thin coat of mud over it and slightly texture it, I could take a damp sponge, wipe some mud over it, take a damp sponge and just like texture this area right here and blend it with what's actually around it already, and you won't even be able to see that. I might do it, like I might not. Like I said before, since it's way up in the air like this, I mean, you probably won't even be able to tell. It just depends on how you're actually looking at it. Like if you're looking at it straight on, you know, you really can't tell. But if you're looking at it from the side, you probably could tell just slightly where that texture is not the same consistency as everything around it. You could also go to the store if you elect to and, you know, get the sheetrock patch if you want. And, you know, they have the wire and all of that other stuff. But this here is not going, it's not going anywhere, like nowhere at all. So that's all I have.